I'm Sunil Sirivardhana, West Africa Country Coordinator for Fish Innovation Lab in Nigeria. I'm also the officer in charge for research program in Nigeria for World Fish. In the West Africa region, Nigeria is, and also Ghana, the most important country in terms of aquaculture production. There is a huge fish supply and demand gap in Nigeria, and Nigeria has to depend on fish imports for 50% of its fish supply. The Fish Innovation Lab intervention is helping to improve the farm performances and also to increase the productivity of aquaculture production systems, leading to increase in fish supply. Fish Innovation Lab has sponsored 5 projects in Nigeria. One project is looking at farm biosecurity risks and biosecurity shocks, prevention of diseases, and improving farm biosecurity at farm level. Disease is causing economic loss, very significant economic loss. So one of the main reasons is because the farmers cannot access to advice. So this project also developed an online platform called eAqua Health. So that connects farmers to aqua veterinarians. So very much needed advice can be sorted out immediately. Then we have another project on to apply lean management principles and tools. The reason is these tools, when you apply these tools, these are self-applicable. You can repeatedly use this. You don't need additional capital. Then the third project is called Nourishing Nations, looking at improving the processed fish products in terms of safety and quality. That will help the consumers to purchase the fish products at the lowest cost and which gives a maximum nutrition benefit. The fourth one is diversification of farming systems. We're looking at integrating rice with fish farming together. The final one is looking at the black soldier fly larvae and the black soldier fly meal to be incorporated in fish feed because fish feed is the most expensive input.
I'm Karen Kent. I'm an Associate Coastal Resources Manager at the University of Rhode Island Graduate School of Oceanography Coastal Resources Center. The one in Ghana, which is about micronutrients in oysters, and oysters are, exponentially higher in iron and zinc than most other foods, including a lot of the animal foods. So the importance of fisheries resources and shellfish in particular as a nutritional value added for food security and human health and well-being, especially of women and young children, is something that's common across all the countries in the region.
All these projects, the research that apply in Nigeria can also be applied in other countries. So it will have a significant impact in terms of scaling and also in terms of sustainability. So these are not new practices. These are not the new technologies. These are applicable technologies to improve the living standards of people, to improve the livelihoods and also the nutrition.
One of the principles of all the innovation labs, but including the Fish Innovation Lab, is that this research is being implemented in some of the most marginalized, most food insecure zones of the countries. So these are challenging environments and these are some of the most food insecure populations. That's one of the reasons why this research is important, because it's not being done in a context of the most developed parts of a country or where the most economic opportunity might exist. It's being done in the places where food security is most extreme.